Hello, guys. Gold Sniper here, and let's begin our analysis of XAUUSD for 15th August 2023. So, before we begin our analysis for 15th August, first thing which I would like to do is check the economic calendar for tomorrow. So, to see if there's any major news coming tomorrow or not. And if you will see for tomorrow, there is one second. Let's see if there's a major news for tomorrow. Okay, so I can see there is the core retail sales. That's one news coming at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Then you have retail sales data that is coming again at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Okay, so only two data is there, which is basically coming in major data. That is, highly volatile news that is coming at around 6 p.m. in the US session. You can see. All right. So we'll have to see if this data also is favoring the dollar, and it if the data is more than expectation, then dollar strength will increase, which will be reflected in the DXY. Dollar index will show that the dollar has strengthened, and that will put further selling pressure on gold. And before we go to gold, we'll just cover the two major one index and one major currency. So if you will see dollar index on a hourly basis, if you will see today, one second. Yeah, so today 14th. Okay, dollar index, if you will see on the hourly basis, was somewhere around here. See, one second. I'll take the daily chart. Yeah. So dollar index in the early morning was somewhere around, like somewhere over here, 102.80 somewhere. Okay. And it has managed to give a closing above 103 level. Okay. And 103 level is very crucial on the dollar index. I'll show you why this 103 level is crucial. All right. So if I will draw a trend line, okay, from here till, like, we'll say roughly here. Okay, so you will see that dollar index closing above 103. This is a major level of resistance right over here. Once again, yeah, so a closing above this, it has always taken a resistance over here, and when it closes above this, again dollar will begin a bullish price, start making bullish price action and start going upwards. So far dollar has been taking resistance and coming down. Now it will start going up, and when dollar index will start going up, you will see that the gold price is going to correct further. Okay, so that's the issue right now. Now we'll see the dollar index on the smaller time frame, on the hourly time frame. So if you'll see, it has given a clear cut breakout above 103. It took resistance at 103.5 roughly, almost 103.5. And again, now again dollar index is preparing to rally. Either what's possible is it will consolidate near 103 region and then attempt a breakout, or it can go directly from here also. But what mostly I feel, right now the volumes are low, so it might not go so fast upside. Maybe it will consolidate here sometime, and then can attempt a breakout above this channel. Okay, then that's what, if that happens, DXY again becomes super bullish. So the resistance, if you'll see, was 103.5. Now we will have to consider the resistance, further upside resistance also. So if we'll see right now above 103.5, 103.6, the next levels of resistance comes around like 103.80 to 104 levels. Roughly we can say 103.8 to 104, we can say there is a resistance level. I'll switch to daily charts also to just reconfirm. Yeah, I'll just draw it over here so it's better. So the next resistance, as I said, on the dollar index is somewhere around like here, a rough area I'll draw. Mhm. Right here. Okay, so this is going to be the next area of resistance for the DXY dollar index, and that comes between like 103.80 to 104 levels. So for now we'll not draw any further resistance. We'll see whether it manages to break out above the trend line or not. It has already managed to given a little bit of breakout, but we want to see further confirmation also. And you can also identify the bullishness of this trend by seeing that the price is always consolidating near the upside, not even the downside of this trend. It's always near the upside of this trend. One second, I'll switch to hourly also to just I think here would be better. Okay, all right, I'll just save it right now. So we have marked the resistance on the upside also. If we break 103.5 level, then we have one second. Yeah, then we have resistance on 103.8 and 104 levels roughly of the DXY. All right. So we covered DXY. Let's go to Euro USD now. Now Euro USD, if you'll see clear cut, it has given a breakdown. This again, this is a support zone right here. Now if you'll see Euro USD also, it's at a critical point. From this is where Euro USD had given a breakout and had given this massive rally, and it has returned exactly at this place. If Euro USD falls below this, where will be the next support level? Marking that is very important. So the next support zone, if you will see on the Euro USD, it's somewhere over here, I can say, in this region. I know it's a big area, but bear with me. It will make sense. Don't worry. So somewhere over here is the next area of support for the Euro USD. So we can see as the dollar index strengthen, we can see further fall in Euro USD. If that also falls, then we'll mark further areas of support. But for now, we need to be concerned only with these two levels of support. Okay, so we covered DXY. Clearly, we can see DXY is bullish. It is consolidating near 103 for again for a breakout above 103.5, so that it can go to the next resistance level of 103.8 to 104. And we covered Euro USD. Two more currency pair we'll cover, and then we'll go to gold. So this is GBP USD. GBP also USD also the same story. Sorry, yeah, it is. If DXY strengthens, we can expect GBP to fall down further. All right, it is still bearish. Japanese yen. Now we will look at USD JPY. Okay, one second. USD JPY right here. USD JPY, this is the best chart which I like the most. Price action following chart. You can see how clearly the Japanese yen follows the price action. Okay, nothing like no other chart is as good looking as this one. Clear cut price action, and you can see it's a clear cut breakout now, and it has taken resistance somewhere over here. Okay, on the Japanese yen, if you will see, the highest mark was somewhere around like 151 level. Let's see if it manages to break above this 146, 147 level. Okay, so again, like I said, all charts are showing bearish unless some news comes positive that changes the trajectory of DXY. It will continue to be bullish, and gold will continue to be bearish. Okay, it cannot change unless some news factor comes in favor. Now let's get back to our favorite currency, which is gold. So today, if you'll see, gold's high was somewhere around like 1916.24 today, and lowest point was like 1903 approximately. So if you will see on the daily basis, gold, I had given only one trade today. That was I had given sell gold between 1911 to 1916. Stop loss was 1917. So gold, if you will see, barely hit our stop loss. Okay, and if you had layered it, you would have got very good profit, almost 100 pips profit. You would have easily made it from the very top. So only one trade I gave, and that was very successful. All right, it played out very well. And the gold, now let's look at gold chart, and you can see still it is, the bearishness is continuing. It is trying to take a support around this crucial level of 1900. It is trying to hold over here. All right, on it. So this is the daily view. Let's shift to 4 hour and the hourly view. 4 hour, you can clearly see the price action, that gold, after consolidating in this region, trying to reverse from here, but because of the continuous selling pressure, it finally gave a breakdown, but immediately follow through buying came, and right now this is is sort of like a pullback given, and now gold is coming down because you see the DXY is consolidating above 103, and once it starts moving up, you can see gold again fall to this level. We have to see whether it reverses or it consolidates here or gives a breakdown. But I'll tell you, if we break 1900, you can see again further some serious falls. We need to break two levels. 1900 is one, but the next major level is 1892. If we break 1892 also, then it is very bearish on gold. We can see big fall in gold. So this was the 4 hour chart gold I covered, and the our strategy for tomorrow, if you will see, like I told you, DXY is continues to be bullish. As and when we see that the DXY is rallying, we'll attempt selling on gold. And our sell zone, right now this gold is, I think, going to come here tomorrow morning. I don't think we'll have the volumes to break 1900 level. I don't think so, because this is a very crucial level. I don't think we can easily break it, so we can see some sort of a pullback. Okay, after gold price comes down a little bit here, maybe in the morning or a little bit in the afternoon, and when we see a pullback here again to this level or till here somewhere, again attempt a sell. And this time, so tomorrow, and we'll the news is also going to be there, so maybe the operator might manage to get it till here. But if the most likely, I think the news will come negative, and when the news comes negative, it's not in favor of gold, it's in favor of dollar. Definitely we will break this 1900 level and we will go down further. All right, so that is my analysis for gold. So I will, like yesterday also, I today also, we will follow the dollar index, and according to the dollar index we will give the buy or sell trades. All right, and if you're liking my video, please like, share, and subscribe my video. um, Thank you, and have a great day. Then let's see how tomorrow pans out.